a new soul. I came to this strange world hoping I could.
Hey, what's going on? I'm Dan Keller, and I'm looking forward to helping you prepare for the largest financial transaction of your life. Consider this short video page 1 of the user manual that you will get in purchasing your new home. So I've broken down the pre-approval process into 3 simple steps. Right over here, you're going to see step 1 is to complete our secure online mortgage application. Now, upon completing that application, you're going to get an email that's sent, an autoresponder email that's sent to remind you of the items that we're going to need from you. Now, within 12 hours of you completing that online application, my assistant, Kelly McNulty, will be in touch with you to help you gather those items that we're going to need to pre-underwrite your file.
Finding trust and love is not so
Hi, I'm Kelly. I'm looking forward to working with you soon.
All right, so moving on to step 2. Step 2 includes gathering your financial documents. That includes your tax returns, your W-2s, pay stubs, bank statements, and any investment accounts that you may have. Now, in some cases, if there is a bankruptcy in your past, a divorce in your past, and meaning in your past, in the past 7 years, we're going to need to document those events, and we're going to need some documents regarding those events. So be prepared to either gather those documents or be prepared for us to ask you for those, okay? Step 2 is a very important process. What we do in step 2 is we essentially pre-underwrite your loan. We eliminate any surprises that could jump up in underwriting, and this has worked out great for our clients in the past, whereas when we write a pre-approval letter or you go out shopping, you have confidence knowing that we can close your transactions, and more specifically, close your transaction on time. So step 2, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact Kelly during business hours from 8 to 4, or after business hours. Please feel free to contact me, text me, or email me directly, okay? All right, hold on real quick. I want to make sure that you understand the importance of my mortgage concierge packet, okay? So if you need to pause this video, pause it right now, go to step 2 and download that Adobe PDF form and review every page of that 14-page packet, okay? What I discuss in that packet is crucial to making sure that your loan goes through underwriting without any hiccups, and it ensures that we have all the information up front. So on page 2, you're gonna find right away a 30-day calendar of what to expect during the mortgage pre-approval process, from application to closing your purchase loan. Okay, and then right after that, you're gonna see, I wanna introduce you to my team. I want you to understand the quality of talent working behind the scenes to make sure that your loan approval goes through smoothly. Next, I want you to see our our commitment to communicate agreement. That kind of details the packet. It also details how we're going to communicate with both you and your real estate professional. After that, you're going to see what step 2 is all about. It's the items needed checklist, okay? Follow that to a T, gather those items, and that's what you're going to scan and send to us, okay? I've also put together about 6 or 7 testimonials that people have written about me online. I've copied and pasted those testimonials from Yelp and from LinkedIn and from Google Places, and I've dropped them right onto a piece of paper. They're short, but I'd like you to kind of look at those so you can see what others have experienced with us to date. And then in closing, I talk about locking your interest rate, understanding an interest rate lock strategy. I give you tips for a smooth loan approval. And the last and most important thing is a 4-page mortgage application form that I need you to fill out. And I need you to take a little bit of extra time and answer the questions thoroughly, because that's where I help position you for success in the future after we close your loan. Once you pull that up, we've set it up so you can complete the form as a PDF online. So if you put your cursor on the fields, you can complete that form and you can save that to your desktop and then just email it to us. If you can't find a place to save it, take your cursor down at the bottom right part of the PDF, and depending on your browser, an image will appear where you can print or you can save that, okay? If you have any questions, let us know, but it's super important that you go through that packet before you move on to step 3 and watch the rest of the videos. All right, so moving on to step 3. Step 3 is where we collect your financial items. We want to make this as convenient for you as possible, so you can either scan, fax, or you can drop off the documents at our office, or in some cases, we can even come and meet you to gather your financials. Our goal in this case is to make sure that we have everything from you that we need to pre-underwrite your file, and typically within 24 hours of receiving those financial documents, we can have findings or feedback to you. Now, following that, I'm going to send you what's called a pre-mortgage analysis. That includes a credit analysis where I look at your credit report, give you feedback in regards to what we see on your credit report, what you may need to do, or in some cases, you don't need to do anything. The other part of that pre-mortgage analysis is an itemized loan program breakdown. So what we do is we take the loan programs that you may qualify for and we stack them together for you to review. I will talk about in a short video attached to that email some of the perks, some of the benefits, and some of the negatives that go along with each one of those programs, and just provide the data for you to make the most informed decision. Okay? After that, we like to set up a time to meet with you face to face. We like to do that here in our office so that you can see where your new mortgage bank is going to be. You can meet one of our underwriters or some of our underwriters, and you can meet our team. So we'll typically do that within a day or two of your mortgage analysis, and after that, you should have the confidence to go out and write an offer on a home. At that point, we will be in touch with your real estate agent through the whole entire process to make sure that you always know what's going on and you know what to expect around each turn, okay? If you have any questions in the meantime, our job is to serve you and to answer any questions you have, so please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. I look forward to meeting you. Take care.
I'm a young soul in this very strange